Welcome guys. Uh, Let me introduce myself. My name is Pratik Kumar Nag and this is my first video of Selenium. So let me tell you what are the things I'm going to cover in my upcoming lectures. I will explain all the Java concepts which you are going to use in your Selenium framework or Selenium project. I'm going to explain Selenium from the scratch level. I will explain robot framework. I will explain how to build a framework from the scratch level, and next you will see how to automate a real-time project with all the Selenium concepts which you are going to cover in my upcoming lectures. Next, the main important thing that if you have any queries or if you have any issues, any problem, please comment below in my lectures so that I can see your queries, and this is my promise that within 42 to 72 hours I will solve your all the queries. Since I'm working on several automation tool and I know several automation tools, so what I thought that I will explain that also, and I will add in my upcoming lectures. I will explain, apart from Selenium, I'll explain 3 4 automation tool which is booming in the market. And one more thing, that if you have any other queries which I'm not covering in my lecture, though I'll cover all the concepts of Selenium. If you have, apart from that, if you have any issues, please reach me out at pratikkumarnag@gmail.com, and I will try to solve you all the queries. And I'm going to explain each and every real-time issues or real-time Selenium, Selenium concept which I already got in my project, which is really real-time issues. And see, if you don't know Selenium, and but if you really want to work on Selenium, you can get so many, like hundred thousands of questions from Google. But the thing is that what you will not get that real time you know issues which you have to solve, you know you have to solve that time, right? Those things you'll not get on the Google. So I will explain those type of issues, those type of concepts I am going to explain. So hope guys you will like those videos. And yeah, and one more thing, that I thought that I'll make all those Selenium videos and after that I'll upload at a time. But later on I decided that I will upload 2 3, minimum 2 3 videos each and every day. So if you learn Selenium for the first time, it will be easy for you to grab a particular topic. Like it will be a class for you, like every day, 1 hour class for you. Like, just spend 1 hour every day. Trust me, you'll be a master of Selenium. So thank you. And in please wait for my next lecture. There I'm going to explain some Java concepts, and I'm going to explain how to install Java, how to install Selenium, and what is Selenium. Thank you guys. See you in my next video.